Managing a rental property in Austin, Texas, comes with a variety of challenges, from maintenance issues and tenant satisfaction to community upkeep and waste management. One service that has rapidly gained popularity among property managers and residents alike is valet trash service. Valet Trash is a convenient, professional waste collection service where trash is picked up directly from tenants' doorsteps on scheduled days. For Austin rental properties, implementing Valet Trash offers numerous benefits that enhance tenant experience, streamline property management, and improve overall community appeal. Here's a look at the top benefits of using Valet Trash for Austin rental properties. Improved tenant convenience and satisfaction. One of the biggest advantages of Valet Trash service is the convenience it offers tenants. Instead of carrying heavy bags down to dumpsters or centralized trash bins, which can be far from their units or located in less accessible areas, residents simply place their trash bags outside their doors on scheduled pickup days. This easy, hassle-free process is especially appreciated by elderly residents, families with young children, or anyone with mobility challenges. When tenants feel their needs are considered and their daily routines made simpler, satisfaction and retention rates tend to improve. Happy tenants are more likely to renew leases and recommend the property to friends and family, reducing vacancy rates and turnover costs for property managers. Cleaner, more attractive community grounds. Valet Trash service helps maintain cleaner community areas by minimizing the amount of loose trash and overflowing dumpsters. When residents don't have to transport their garbage to common areas, there's less chance of litter, spills, and odors around dumpsters and shared spaces. This cleaner environment contributes to better curb appeal and a more pleasant living experience for everyone in the community. For property managers in Austin, maintaining an attractive, well-kept property can lead to higher property values and a stronger reputation in a competitive rental market. Reduced pest and rodent problems. Overflowing trash bins and improperly disposed garbage can attract pests such as rodents, raccoons, insects, and stray animals. These pests can cause damage to property and pose health risks to tenants. Valet Trash services help reduce these issues by ensuring garbage is regularly and efficiently removed from the premises. Trash bags waiting only briefly outside tenants' doors are less likely to attract pests than large, centralized dumpsters filled to capacity. This proactive waste management reduces pest-related complaints and maintenance headaches for property owners and managers. Streamlined property management. For property managers, Valet Trash service simplifies waste management logistics and reduces administrative burdens. Coordinating tenant trash disposal can be a recurring hassle, especially in large complexes or multifamily properties. With Valet Trash, waste collection is handled by a professional third-party service that follows a consistent schedule and handles all aspects of pickup and disposal. This allows property managers to focus on other critical tasks, such as maintenance, leasing, and resident relations. Additionally, valet trash companies often provide detailed reporting and customer support, making it easier for property managers to address tenant questions or concerns related to trash service. Enhanced compliance with local regulations Austin has specific regulations regarding waste disposal, recycling, and environmental protection. Valet trash services are usually designed to comply with these local ordinances, helping property owners avoid fines or violations. Professional waste services often include recycling programs that encourage tenants to separate recyclables, promoting sustainability within your community. This environmentally friendly approach not only complies with city rules but also appeals to eco-conscious renters. Increased safety and accessibility. Some residents may feel unsafe walking to distant dumpsters, especially at night or in poorly lit areas. Carrying heavy trash bags through parking lots or stairwells can also be a safety risk. Valet Trash Service eliminates these concerns by bringing waste pickup right to tenants' doorsteps. This convenience enhances resident safety and accessibility, which is particularly important in senior housing, accessible units, or communities with children. Attracting quality tenants. In today's rental market, amenities and services can differentiate your property from competitors. Valet Trash Service is an attractive perk that can appeal to prospective tenants looking for convenience and modern living standards. Offering valet trash signals that your property management values tenant comfort and invests in quality services. This can attract responsible, long-term renters who appreciate and take care of well-maintained communities. Conclusion. For Austin rental property owners and managers, Valet Trash Service offers a multitude of benefits that enhance tenant satisfaction, simplify operations, and maintain clean, safe communities. By providing door-to-door trash pickup, you make life easier for residents, reduce pest and litter problems, and ensure compliance with local waste regulations. Beyond operational advantages, Valet Trash Services improve your property's curb appeal and marketability, helping you attract and retain quality tenants in a competitive market. Investing in valet trash is a smart move that benefits your tenants, your property, and your bottom line, making it an essential service for today's Austin rental properties.